Hey, this is Bill. I was asked to give a little show of my workshop here, so go ahead and give y'all a little shot of what I work with. Air compressor. On the side here, I got my files and my chisels. And I got tape and router accessories, rivets, rivet gun, heat shrink, nuts, bolts, screws, my new drill sharpener. Thank you, Xavier and Shalina. And down here, I got all my power tools, all the good stuff down there. And if you look right here, there's all my drill bits and impact attachments. There's nothing behind this one. There's another fella out there that's got a YouTube channel. His name's Paw Paw, and I think he even goes by Paw Paw's Woodshed, but I had mine first. And if you come around over here, got all my spare parts and pieces, extra lumber, drill press. This here's the case that I travel with all my Dremel stuff in it. Vice, computer, so that I can watch videos up on the TV screen. It's hooked up with an HDMI cord. And I got a bunch of extra parts and pieces, bandsaw blades, cutters, hammers, mallets. I'm in the middle of 2 projects right now. I'm doing hopefully my newest granddaughter's soon. Will be here maybe next week or so. And I'm doing a EGA on a piece of that tree that I got out yonder. Her letters will match up with the boys' letters. And of course, if you spin the letters around, it's their birth date. And it just so happens that all the grandkids have 6 letters. All the kids have 6 letters in their names. Birth dates are 6 digits, so it works out real well. And there's a toolbox. And yes, everything's labeled. I know where everything is, and anybody that comes in here to grab anything should know where to get it and where to put it back at. A bunch of extra wood. Bandsaw. Watch your fingers, that's a pinch point. But that's it. That's my workshop. And of course, it's a second car garage of a 2-car garage. So I got the tarp up there so it doesn't get my wife's car all dusty. And all the ropes are kind of like a big pulley system. This main rope right here, if you pull down on it, it'll roll this whole tarp up and get it up out of the way into the ceiling, where you can have a 2-car garage nice and open. But that's only open when I'm gone, so otherwise there's dust in here. But that's it. And I got my new table saw here, and this here's a little cabinet that my wife used to have a spice rack. I made it into a little storage area for flammables, combustibles. But that's it, y'all. That's where I work. Hope y'all enjoy.